Good evening, students. Fifth Roman law, first one, very important. Laplace of 0 to infinity t e power minus 3t cos t dt. So 0 to infinity form, let f of first question is write as 0 to infinity. First you have to write e power minus 3t t into cos t dt, cos t dt. Comparing with Laplace 0 to infinity, Laplace of e power minus st f of t dt. Here s is equal e power minus st form, e power minus s replace 3, and also f of t is equal t cos t, to find Laplace transform. Laplace of f of t is equal Laplace of t cos t. So to find the Laplace transform of t cos t, that is meaning multiplication of t into another function cos t. So multiplication of t formula, multiplication by t form, Laplace of t f of t is equal minus 1 d by ds of f bar of s, same. So minus 1 d by ds of f bar of, that is meaning of f bar of s means Laplace of cos t. Laplace of cos t means 1t. F bar of s is equal Laplace of f of t. This is the formula. Laplace of f of t is write as f bar of s. F bar of s is equal minus 1 d by ds of, what is the formula? Cos at. Laplace of cos at formula, s by s square plus a square. Here a value is 1. Okay, a value is 1. S by s square plus 1 square. F bar of s equal to minus d by ds of s by s square plus 1. So derivative of u by v form, d by ds of u by v form by v square v du by ds minus u dv by ds. Substitute the formula. F bar of s equal to minus v square, v value s square plus 1 whole square, s square plus 1 f bar of s. So u by v, v means s square plus 1 d by ds of s minus s d by ds of u value s, d by ds of v value s square plus 1 by s square plus 1 whole square, s square plus 1 derivative of s 1, s into s square derivative 2s plus 1 derivative 0, s square plus 1 minus 2 into s into s square by s square plus 1 whole square. Write down, continue next step. So please observe, very important, Laplace of 0 to infinity t e power minus 3t cos t dt. The question is right as 0 to infinity e power minus 3t, e power mundu raskoవాలి t cos t dt. So comparing with Laplace of 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Here s is equal 3 and f of t is equal t cos t. To find the Laplace transform, Laplace of f of t is equal Laplace of t into cos t. So here observe this t into cos t, that is meaning multiplication of t into f of t. So what is the formula? Multiplication by t method. So minus 1 into d by ds of f bar of s. F bar of s means Laplace of f of t. So minus 1 d by ds of Laplace of cos t means 1t. So minus 1 d by ds of, this is form of Laplace of cos a t form, s by s square plus a square, here 1. Minus 1 d by ds of s by s square plus 1 square minus d by ds of minus here minus here minus d by ds of s by s square plus 1, d by ds of u by v form divided by v square, v du by ds minus u dv by ds. V place is s square plus 1, u place is s by v square, s square plus 1 whole square, v s square plus 1 d by ds of u value s minus s d by ds of s square plus 1 minus of s square plus 1 into s derivative is 1 minus s into s square derivative 2s plus constant derivative 0 minus of s square plus 1 minus 2 s into s square by s square plus 1 whole square. Okay, write down. Continue next step. So f bar of s is equal minus of s square plus 1 minus 2 s square. 1 minus s square means 1 s square minus 2 s square. 1 minus 2 minus 1 s square. That is meaning minus s square. 1 minus s square by s square plus 1 whole square. Put s is replace 3 value substitute. Minus of 1 minus 3 whole square by 3 square plus 1 whole square minus of 1 minus 3 square value 9, 3 square 9 plus 1 whole square minus of minus 8 by 10 square. So minus into minus plus 8 by 100, you cancel the value, 4 2 ja 8, 4 25 ja 100, 2 by 25. Okay, write down. Next problem. So do homework these two problems. So Laplace of 0 to infinity t e power minus 2t cos t dt. Laplace of 0 to infinity t e power minus 4t sin t dt. Okay, do homework. Next problem. So write down next problem. Laplace of 0 to infinity t square e power minus 4t sin 2t. The question is right as Laplace of 0 to infinity e power minus 4t t square sin 2t dt. Comparing with Laplace of 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Here s is equal, s replace 4, s value 4. Okay, next f of t is equal t square sine 2t, t square. So to find Laplace transform, f of t is equal Laplace of t square minus sine 2t. So what is the formula? Multiplication by t method, but t square, the power is 2. So write as formula multiplication by t square, multiplication by t square. So that is formula Laplace of t power n f of t is equal -1 whole power n d by ds. So d power n s power n f bar of s. What is meaning of f bar of s? This is the formula. F bar of s equal to Laplace of f of t. Here n value 2 time derivative, n value is 2. Substitute this value. Laplace of f of t is equal, substitute the formula, -1 n value t square, t power n f of t, t power n f of t. So t power n value 2, n value 2. So d square by ds square, f bar of s means Laplace of sine 2t, Laplace of sine 2t. -1 square means +1, d square by ds square, Laplace of at form, Laplace of sine at form, sine at formula a by s square plus a square, a here 2, a here 2 by s square plus 2 square. So derivative, first derivative, so 2 is constant, 2, 1 2 ja 2, d square by ds square 1 by s square plus 4. So first to find derivative one time, 2 into d by ds of 1 by s square plus 4. What is the formula? d by ds of 1 by s, s replace s square plus 4, that is f of s, no problem, is equal -1 by f of s, and also find f dash of s. Also find d by ds of s square plus 4. So simply formula, this is form of d by ds of 1 by s. So formula is -1 by s square. Also derivative of s. Write down, continue next step. So please observe 2 time derivative. Please observe here s is equal to 4, s is equal to 4, s equal to 4. So f of t equal t square minus sine 2t. Multiplication by t method, but the power is 2 and 2 time derivative. What is the formula? -1 whole power n d power n ds power n f bar of s. F bar of s means Laplace of f of t. So -1 whole square d square by ds square f bar of s, Laplace of f of t, this taken sine 2t. Sine 2t Laplace transform 2 by s square plus 2 square. -1 whole square means +1. 1 2 ja 2, d square by ds square 1 by s square plus 4. d by ds of 1 by s square plus 4. What is the formula? d by ds of 1 by s form. So -1 by s square. What is s is written as s square plus 4. s replace. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ s ప్లేస్లో s స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 4 ఉంది. మళ్ళీ అగైన్ డెరివేటివ్ చేసుకోవాలి. రైట్ డౌన్. So f bar of s, f bar of s is equal 2 into d by ds of, so d by ds of 1 by s formula minus 1 by s square, minus 1 by s square, s square plus 4, s replace s square plus 4 whole square, d by ds of s square plus 4, minus into plus minus 2, d by ds of 1 by s square plus 4 whole square, s square derivative 2s plus 0, s square derivative 2s constant derivative 0, minus 2 d by ds of 1 into 2s by s square plus 4 whole square, minus 2 2 ja 4, minus 4 d by ds of s by s square plus 4 whole square. So again derivative, what is the formula? So d by ds of u by v form, d by ds of u by v form minus v square v du by ds minus v u dv by ds. What is the value of v? V is equal s square plus 4 whole square, u value only s, minus 4 by v square. What is the value of v? S square plus 4 whole square, s square plus 4 whole square, in formula v square, again square, v square. So v value how much? S square plus 4 whole square. Next d by ds of s, u value s minus s, d by ds of s square plus 4 whole square. Okay, write down, continue next step. So in case this is the formula. Okay, no problem. F bar of s. Okay, write down, continue next step. Write down. So u by v form by v square, we have taken s square plus 4 whole square, v square again square, v value s square plus 4 whole square, d by ds of s minus s, d by ds of s square plus 4 whole square. Write down. Minus 4 into s square plus 4 whole square, s derivative is 1 minus s. Please observe d by ds of s square plus 4 whole square. S square plus 4 is taken as simply s is taken, d by ds of s square form. S square form means 2s. 2s means s value s square plus 4. So 2 into s square plus 4 again derivative of s square plus 4. That is the meaning. So simply d by ds of s square form, s square derivative 2s, s place lo s square plus 4 undi. Malli again derivative d by ds of s square plus 4. That's the step. S square form 2 into s square plus 4 d by ds of s square plus 4 divided by s square plus 4 whole power 4 minus 4 s square plus 4 whole square minus 2s s square plus 4 s square derivative 2s constant derivative 0 by s square plus 4 whole power 4. Minus 4. What is the common in both? S square plus 4 common. S square plus 1 whole square 1 common. రిమైనింగ్ 1 ఈజ్ టేకెన్. హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది, అందులో ఒకటి మాత్రమే కామన్, ఇంకోటి మిగులుతుంది మైనస్ 2 2 జా 4 ఎస్ ఇంటి ఎస్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్, ఇది కామన్ తీసినాం ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 4 బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 4 హోల్ పవర్ 4. ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఒకటి క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే ఒకటి 3 మిగులుతాయి. మైనస్ 4, సో 4 మైనస్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4 ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ 3 ఎస్ స్క్వేర్. ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ మీన్స్ 1 ఎస్ స్క్వేర్, 1 మైనస్ 4 మైనస్ 3 ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 4 హోల్ పవర్ 3. సో నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ 4 ఈజ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. ఎఫ్ బార్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 4 into 4 minus 16 plus minus into minus plus 4 3 ja 12 s square by s square plus 4 whole cube. So you go for here s value how much? Go for question. S equal to put s equal to 4. Put s equal to 4. 0 to infinity e power t e power minus 4t t square sin 2t dt is equal, put the values up, substitute minus 16 plus 12 into, so s value 4 square by s square 4 square plus 4 whole cube minus 16 plus 12 into 4 square value 16 by 16 plus 4 whole cube minus 16 plus 12 6 are 72, 12 1 are 12 7 192 by 20 cube 192 minus 16 6 176. Okay, 176 by 20 cube value 8000, 2 cube value 10 cube value 1000, 2 cube value 8000. So anyone cancel? So write down. Sixteen table cancel. 16 1 ja 16, 16 1 ja 16, 16 5 ja 80, 2 0. Final answer 11 by 500. 11 by 500. That is the value of, that is the value 0 to infinity e power minus 40 t square sin 2t dt value 11 by 500. Write down. Next problem. Okay, next problem, very most important. Laplace of 0 to infinity e power minus t minus e power minus 2t by t. The question is write as Laplace of 0 to infinity అంటానే మనకు రావాల్సిన ఐడియా e power st. e power st లేదు కాబట్టి 0 into t, e power 0 into t, e power 0, e power 0 value 1. So e power 0t e power minus t e power minus 2t by t dt. So comparing with Laplace of 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Here s value e power 0t, s value 0, f of t is equal e power minus st e power minus 2t by t. To find Laplace transform of f of t is equal Laplace of e power minus t e power minus 2t by t. Please observe this question. E power minus t e power minus 2t by t. By t means division by t formula apply చేసుకోవాలి. So what is the formula? Laplace of division by t. Division by t formula. Laplace of f of t by t formula ఉంటే 0 to infinity, sorry, s to t, s to infinity, s to infinity, f bar of s ds, f bar of s ds, s to infinity, f bar of s into ds. So f of t by t ఫామ్ లో ఉంది. f bar of s అంటే మీనింగ్, f bar of s means Laplace of f of t, Laplace of f of t, Laplace of f of t వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవాలి. సో అప్లై చేద్దాం. Laplace of f of t value is taken, f bar of s is equal Laplace of f of t by t ఫామ్లో ఉంది. f of t by t ఫామ్లో ఉంటే s to infinity, f bar of s అంటే Laplace of, f bar of s అంటే Laplace of e power minus t minus e power minus 2t ds. s to infinity Laplace of e power minus t minus Laplace of e power minus 2t ds. So what is the formula? Laplace of e power minus at 1 by s plus a, 1 by s plus a, s to infinity 1 by a minus 1t గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. t means minus 1t, s plus 1 minus 1 by s plus 2 ds. So please observe, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by s ds ఫామ్లో ఉంటే log s అంటాం, log s plus c. సో s ప్లేస్లో s plus 1 ఉంది. సో log half s plus 1 minus log half s plus 2. సో అప్పర్ లిమిట్ లోయర్ లిమిట్ s to infinity. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో డివిజన్ బై t ఫామ్లో ఉంటే ఫార్ములా s to infinity f bar of s, f bar of s అంటే Laplace of f of t. ముందు మనం ఫార్ములాను కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే f of t by t ఫామ్లో ఉంది. f of t by t, f of t అంటే e పవర్ మైనస్ t, e పవర్ మైనస్ 2t. ఇక్కడ Laplace of f of tని f bar of sగా రాసుకుంటాం. s to infinity f bar of s అంటే ఇది మా Laplace of f of t. ఇక్కడ f of t అంటే ఏం తీసుకోవాలా? f of t అంటే ఇక్కడ e పవర్ మైనస్ t మైనస్ e పవర్ మైనస్ 2tగా రాసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేస్తాం. e పవర్ మైనస్ t, e పవర్ మైనస్ 2tగా రాసుకొని అప్లై చేయాలి. f of t ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఏమనుకోవాలి? e పవర్ మైనస్ t మైనస్ e పవర్ మైనస్ 2t అనుకోవాలి. f బార్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్లో అప్లై చేసేటప్పుడు Laplace of f of t. సో f బార్ ఆఫ్ s అంటే Laplace of e పవర్ మైనస్ t, e పవర్ మైనస్ 2tగా రాసుకుంటాం. s to infinity Laplace of e పవర్ మైనస్ t, e పవర్ మైనస్ 2t ds. s to infinity Laplace of e పవర్ మైనస్ t means minus 1t minus Laplace of e పవర్ మైనస్ 2t ds. సో Laplace of e పవర్ మైనస్ at ఫామ్లో ఉంటే 1 by s plus a, 1 by s plus 1 minus 1 by s plus 2 ds. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ 1 by s ds ఫామ్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి log s, s ప్లేస్లో s plus 1, log of s plus 1 minus log of s plus 2. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా? log a మైనస్ log b ఫామ్లో ఉంది. log of a by b, log of a by b. రైట్ డౌన్. కంటిన్యూ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్. log a minus log b, log of a by b. f bar of s equal to log of a by b, s plus 1 by s plus 2, 0 to s to infinity. We apply infinity. log of s replace infinity, infinity plus 1 by infinity plus 2 minus upper limit minus lower limit, log of s replace sa, lower limit sa ఉంది కాబట్టి s plus 1 by s plus 2. log infinity plus 1 means infinity a, infinity by infinity minus log half s plus 1 by s plus 2. Log of infinity by infinity 1 minus place lo plus rasna. Please observe minus log of a by b is equal plus log of b by a ga rasna. Plus log of b by a plus log of reciprocal avutundi fraction s plus 2 by s plus 1. Log 1 value 0 plus log half s plus 2 by s plus 1. That is the f bar of s. F bar of s equal to log half s plus 2 by s plus 1. We know that. You go. So put s equal to 0. Put s equal to comparing 0. We know that 0 to infinity e power minus t, e power minus t minus e power minus 2t by t dt is equal. So log of s value log half 0 plus 2 by 0 plus 1 log 2 by 1 log 2 by 1 value log 2. That is the final answer. Write down. ఇప్పుడు s వాల్యూ 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం. 0 ప్లస్ 2 2 0 ప్లస్ 1 1 2 by 1 means 2 log 2 ఆన్సర్. రైట్ డౌన్. ఓకే, డూ హోంవర్క్. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 0 to Laplace of integration 0 to infinity e power minus t minus e power minus 4t by t. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా e పవర్ 0tగా రాసుకోవాలి. అప్పుడు s వాల్యూ 0 అవుతుంది. సో ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ log 4 e పవర్ మైనస్ t మైనస్ e పవర్ మైనస్ 4t by t. డూ హోంవర్క్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. So next same problem. So question is right. Laplace of 0 to infinity cos 60 minus cos 40 by t. So Laplace of 0 to infinity, so e power st 0 into t cos 60 minus cos 4t by t dt. Comparing with same Laplace of 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Here s equal to 0. Next f of t equal to cos 60 minus cos 40 by t. To find Laplace transform of f of t, Laplace of cos 60 minus cos 40 by t. Same. So division by t form, f of t by t form lo undi. So which formula? Division by t form. Division by t. Which formula? Laplace of f of t by t form lo undi. S to infinity f bar of s ds ఇది formula. But f bar of s means ఇక్కడ f of t value cos 6t minus cos 4t. f bar of s means Laplace of f of t గా రాస్తాం. Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t value cos 6t minus cos 4t. Okay, f bar of s equal to, okay, f of t is equal cos 6t minus cos 4t. f bar of s means Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t value cos 6t minus cos 4t. Okay, f bar Laplace of f of t ఇందులో లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఏమంటాం? f bar of s అంటాం. సో 0 to s to infinity Laplace of, So cos 60 minus cos 40. F bar of s వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ రాసుకున్నాం. F bar of s అంటే cos 60 minus cos 40 ds. So directly Laplace s2 infinity Laplace of cos 60 minus Laplace of cos 40 ds. What is the formula? Laplace of cos 80 formula undi s by s square plus a square. So s2 infinity s by s square plus 6 square minus s by s square plus 4 square. So you take the 1 by 2, you take 1 by 2 s2 infinity 2s by s square plus 36 minus 2s by s square plus 36 ds. సో 2 కామన్ తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ 2 కామన్ అయిపోతే 2 రిమూవ్ అవుతుంది, అందుకే 1/2 తీసుకున్నాం. వై? బికాస్ వి అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఫార్ములా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 2s బై s స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా ఉంటే లాగ్ హాఫ్ s స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ రాసుకోవచ్చు ప్లస్ సి. ఓకే, ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ బై ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ డిఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ ఫార్ములా. బట్ ప్రతి దాంట్లో ఇదే రిపీట్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవన్నా 2s బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ డిఎస్ ఫామ్లో ఉంటే లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్. సో ఏ ఇస్ ద కాన్స్టాంట్ నెంబర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు. సో 2s బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 36 నేను రాయొచ్చు లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 36 మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 36 4 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 16 రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్. కంటిన్యూ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్. So log of 1/2 f bar of s equal to 1/2 ఇన్ఫినిటీ రాదు ఇంకా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కరెక్టే s టు ఇన్ఫినిటీ. సో ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక ఫార్ములా అనుకుంటే ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ బై ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ డిఎస్ ఫార్ములాలో ఉంటే లాగ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ అని రాస్తాం ప్లస్ సి. సో లాగ్ ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 36 లాగ్ s square plus 36 minus log s square plus 4 square value 16 s to infinity log a minus log b log a by b log a by b log of s square plus 36 by s square plus 16 s to infinity. Infinity value apply cheste 1/2 log of infinity square plus 36 by infinity square plus 16 minus log half s square plus 36 by s square plus 16. Infinity square plus 36 means infinity log half infinity by infinity minus log half s square plus 36 by s square plus 16. 1/2 log half infinity by infinity 1 infinity cancel 1 minus log half s square plus 36 by s square plus 16. f bar of s log 1 value 0 ప్లస్ గా రాస్తున్నా, ప్లస్ రాస్తే ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఏమవుతుంది రివర్స్. log half s square plus 16 by s square plus 36. So this is the f bar of s value log of s square plus 16 by s square plus 36. So now 0 to infinity cos 60 minus cos 40 by t dt is equal, put s equal to how much? 0 log half 0 square plus 16 by 0 square plus 36. 0 square value 0 0 plus 16 by 36, 8 2 ja, no 4 4 ja 16, 4 9 ja 36, log of 4 by 9, that is the answer. Log of 4 by 9, write down. Next problem. ఇక్కడ 1/2 is forgetting, also adding 1/2, 1/2. So 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. So please observe log of 4 by 9 whole power 1/2, m log a form, m log a. M log a is equal log a power m, log a power m. So log a power m, 1/2 means square root of 4 by 9, square root 4 value 2, 3 9 value 3, log of 2 by 3 answer, log of 2 by 3. M log a power m, 1/2 log of, so 1/2 means square root, root of 4 by 9, root 4 value 2, root 9 value 3, final answer log of 2 by 3, write down. Next problem. Okay, next problem, 9th Roman law, first one. Laplace of e power minus t sin t by t. So write as Laplace of e power minus t means e power minus 1t sin t by t dt. Comparing with Laplace of e power minus st sin t by t dt. Here s equal to only s value always positive. F of t is equal sin t by t, division by t method. To find Laplace of f of t is equal Laplace of sin t by t. So division by t form, division by t form. So Laplace of f of t by t form లో ఉంది ఇక్కడ. f of t by t s to infinity f bar of s ds. f of t value how much taking in this line? F of t is equal sin t. F bar of s means Laplace of f of t. F of t value means sin t, sin t. సో ఇక్కడ వెళ్దాం, ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1 అనుకోవచ్చు. ఇంకా Laplace of f of t value f bar of s, s to infinity because of division by t form కనుక s to infinity Laplace of sin t means sin 1t. What is the formula? Laplace of sin at formula ఉంది. Sin at formula a by s square plus a square. Here a value is 1. S to infinity 1 by s square plus 1 square ds. So s to infinity 1 by written as 1 square value 1 plus s square ds. So integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx ఉంటే tan inverse of x అని రాస్తాం ప్లస్ c. x ప్లేస్లో ఏముంది s. tan inverse of x ఓన్లీ అంటే tan inverse of s, s to infinity. tan inverse of infinity, s replace infinity minus tan inverse of s. tan inverse of infinity written as tan pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse means cot inverse s. So next put s equal to one integration e power minus t sin t by t 0 to infinity dt is equal minus cot inverse of 1, only cot inverse of 1. Cot inverse of s place లో ఏం రాయాలి, s రిప్లేస్ 1. cot inverse of 1 ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందంటే cot inverse లో cot pi by 4, cot pi by 4 వాల్యూ 1. cot inverse cot రిమూవ్ అయితే pi by 4. సో cot inverse of s ప్లేస్లో 1 రాస్తున్నాం. 1 ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది అంటే కాట్లో cot pi by 4. cot inverse cot రిమూవ్ అయితే pi by 4 వస్తుంది. రైట్ డౌన్. Next problem. So please observe the second problem, same as it is. Laplace of 0 to infinity sin t by t dt. So the question is written as e power st and 0t into s to infinity 0 to into t sin t by t dt. Comparing with ఇక్కడ 0 to infinity రాయలేదు, 0 to infinity Laplace of comparing with 0 to infinity e power minus st sin t by t. So s place లో ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ 0. సేమ్ మెథడ్ f of t is equal sin t by t. సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం సేమ్ అదే ప్రాబ్లం, బట్ s ప్లేస్లో ఏమి లేకపోతే జీరోగా తీసుకోవాలి. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం లేకపోతే 1 నేను రాసుకోవచ్చు e పవర్ 0 ఇంటూ టీ ఫార్ములా ప్రకారం. s ప్లేస్లో 0 sin t by t. Laplace of f of t is equal, what is the form? Laplace of sin t by t is form division by t ఫామ్లో ఉంది. Laplace of f of t by t is equal s to infinity f bar of s ds. f of t is equal, ఇక్కడ sin t తీసుకుంటాం. f bar of s means Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t value sin t. So f bar of s is equal s to infinity Laplace of sin t means sin 1t. What is the form? Sin at form, a by s square plus a square. A value 1 అప్లై చేస్తాం, 1 by s square plus a square. సో 1 by 1 plus s square రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 1 by 1 plus x square dx ఉంటే tan inverse of x రాస్తాం, x ప్లేస్లో s. ఓన్లీ tan inverse of x ఏ రాసేది. సో tan inverse of x ప్లేస్లో s రాసినాం, x రిప్లేస్ s. s to infinity tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of s. tan inverse of infinity వాల్యూ ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు, tan pi by 2 వాల్యూ ఇన్ఫినిటీ మైనస్ tan inverse of s. tan inverse tan రిమూవ్ అయితే pi by 2 మైనస్ tan inverse of s. pi by 2 మైనస్ tan inverse theta ఫార్ములా cot inverse theta ప్లేస్లో s ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ పుట్ s ఈక్వల్ హౌ మచ్ అప్లై చేయాల్సింది ఇక్కడ 0. సో sin t by t dt ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ cot inverse of 0. cot inverse of 0 ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది, cot inverse of 0 90 cot pi by 2. cot pi by 2 వాల్యూ 0. cot pi by 2 వాల్యూ 0. cot ఇన్వర్స్కు కాట్కు రిమూవ్ అయితే రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూ pi by 2. రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూ pi by 2. రైట్ డౌన్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Okay, next problem. Laplace of 0 to infinity e power minus t sin square t by t dt. So comparing with directly, so first write down question. 0 to infinity e power minus t means minus 1t sin square t by t dt. So Laplace of comparing with Laplace of 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. here s value is 1, f of t value is equal sin square t by t. So to find Laplace of f of t is equal Laplace of sin square t by t. First you write, so division by t form. So division by t form. So division by t. So what is the formula? Laplace of f of t by t s to infinity f bar of s. So f of t value taking sin square t. So f bar of s means Laplace of f of t. So Laplace of f of t value is taking s sin square t. So now question, this is the equation number 1, no problem. In this question, Laplace of f of t value f bar of s to infinity Laplace of sin square t ds. So directly not find out Laplace of sin square. Sin square a form. Sin square a is equal 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Sin square a value 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Cos square a value 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Sin square is replaced. So Laplace of 1 minus cos 2t by 2. So ds 1 by 2 is constant. S to infinity Laplace of 1 minus cos 2t ds. So 1 by 2 constant, s to infinity Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of cos 2t ds. Write down, continue next step. Please observe, Laplace of 1 value 1 by s, Laplace of cos at value, so Laplace of cos at s by s square plus a square. Here a value is 2. Okay. So Laplace of 1 value 1 by s minus Laplace of cos at value s by s square plus a square. Write down. Continue next line. So Laplace of 1 means 1 by 2 s to infinity Laplace of 1 by s minus cos at s by s square plus 2 square ds. Please observe 1 by 2 s to infinity 1 by s, no problem. 1 by 2 into 2s by s square, 2 square value 4 ds. So please observe, integration of 1 by s value ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ log s. Also integration of 2s by s square plus a square ఫామ్లో ఉంటే ds. సో log of s square plus a square. ఇక్కడ 2 మిస్సింగ్ అయింది, అందుకే 1 by 2 into 2 తీసుకున్నా. 1 by 2 1 by s ఫామ్లో ఉంటే log s minus 1 by 2 log of s square plus 4 s to infinity. 1 by 2 log of log s minus m log a power m s square plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 log a m log a log a power m ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేస్తున్నా. సో m log a ఉంటే log a పవర్ m. సో 1 by 2 means square root s to infinity 1 by 2 log s minus log of 1 by 2 means square root s square plus 4 s to infinity. Next, continue next line. Okay, write down. Continue next line. Write down. So log A minus log B formula. Log A minus log B. F bar of S equal to log A minus log B. Log A by B. S by square root of S square plus 4. 0 to S to infinity. Apply the upper limit. Log of infinity by square root of infinity square plus 4 minus log of S by square root of S square plus 4. Log of infinity by infinity square plus 4 root and infinity a. Infinity square plus 4 infinity square. 2 root cancel అయితే infinity. Minus log of S by square root of S square plus 4. Infinity by infinity 1. 1 minus log 1. Log 1 minus log of S by square root of S square plus 4. Log 1 value 0. Minus place lo plus rasuna fraction reciprocal. Root of S square plus 4 by S. చెప్పా మైనస్ లాగ్ ఏ బై బి ఉంటే లాగ్ ఆఫ్ బి బై ఏ రాసుకోవచ్చు మైనస్ ప్లేస్లో ప్లస్ సో ఎఫ్ బార్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు లాగ్ ఆఫ్ స్క్వయర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ స్క్వయర్ ప్లస్ 4 బై ఎస్ సో నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ So put s equal to 1 is taken. E power minus t undi ikkada e power minus t. So now s to infinity e power minus t sin square d by t dt is equal apply chesam log of square root of 1 square plus 4 by 3 ఇక్కడ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సింది ఇంకోటి 1/2 మిస్సింగ్ 1/2 ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ రాద్దాం నో ప్రాబ్లం 1/2 మిస్సింగ్ 1/2 1/2 okay write down continue next line no problem okay 1/2 same so 1/2 is continuous step write down next line so put s equal to 1 so integration 0 to infinity Laplace of e power minus t sin square t by t dt is equal so 1 applies the 1/2 log of square root 1 square plus 4 by root by 5 by s means 1 sorry s means 1 1/2 log of root 1 plus 4 by 1 root 5 by 1 means root 5 ante root 5 so m log a means log a power m I think is missing okay I have take 1/2 into 2 log root 5 so 2 remove no problem 1/2 2 ja 4 even m log a power m log root 5 whole square 2 root cancel 1/4 log 5 okay 1/2 log root 5. root 5 రిమూవ్ కావాలంటే హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఉండాలి, అందుకే 1/2 ఇంటూ ఆల్రెడీ 1/2 ఈస్ దేర్, 1/2 అగైన్ 2 తీసుకున్నా, 2 క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో 2 log root 5. సో m log a ఫామ్లో ఉంది, m log a ఫామ్ log a పవర్ m, root 5 హోల్ స్క్వేర్, 2 root క్యాన్సల్, 1/4 log 5. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫైనల్. రైట్ డౌన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.